Here's a fast, beginner-friendly guide to setting up a LiveChat widget on your website, perfect if you want to launch LiveChat or any AI-powered LiveChat tool quickly with minimal coding. Step by step, add a LiveChat widget. Fast 1. Choose and sign up for a LiveChat service. Start by creating an account with a LiveChat provider, example LiveChat, Talk.io, Sendpulse, etc. Each lets you start with a trial or free plan. After signing up, you'll usually see a dashboard or admin panel for your chat service. Example, LiveChat offers a free 14-day trial with no credit card needed. 2. Get the chat widget code. Most services generate a piece of JavaScript code you paste into your website. LiveChat, example 1. Log into your LiveChat account. 2. Go to settings, rightward arrow, channels, rightward arrow, website. 3. Click copy code. This is your chat widget snippet. You will now paste the snippet into your site. 3. Paste the code on your website. You'll usually insert the code before the closing /body tag of your site's HTML. How to install. General small blue diamond. Open your site's HTML. Small blue diamond. Find the /body tag. Small blue diamond. Paste the chat widget code right above it. Small blue diamond. Save and upload your changes. Once this is done, visit your site and you should see the chat widget appear in the bottom corner. Tip: if you use a site builder, like WordPress, Shopify, Wix, etc., many chat tools offer direct plugins or integration so you don't need to edit code manually. 4. Test the chat. Visit your site as a visitor to confirm the widget appears. Open a chat and make sure messages show up in the chat dashboard or app. Log into the agent panel or mobile app to respond to chats. LiveChat and many services offer dedicated desktop and mobile apps so your team can respond quickly. Optional, but useful, customization. 5. Customize appearance and behavior. Your chat widget can usually be styled to match your brand. Change colors, fonts, and placement. Set a custom welcome message. Enable or disable the widget on mobile. Upload your logo and adjust text language. Most providers let you tweak these inside a widget customizer UI without code. 6. Add automated messages or greetings. After setup, you can usually configure * auto greetings, invite visitors to chat, * pre-chat forms, collect emails before conversation, * business hours messaging, show offline form when no agents are available. These help boost engagement and ensure visitors never get ignored. Quick tips to get up and running: use a plugin or integration if you run WordPress, Shopify, or another CMS. Look for a chat plugin in the platform marketplace, often one click to install and connect. LiveChat.com. 2. Test on multiple devices. Check the chat on desktop and mobile to make sure it behaves well on both. Train agents first. Log into the agent dashboard or app, set a status to available, and test incoming chats. -1 AI chat automation. 2. Some platforms let you integrate AI chat responses, like chat-style replies, so basic questions get answered instantly and only complex queries go to human agents. This usually involves enabling the AI feature inside your chat service, training or configuring basic reply rules, connecting with your live chat setup. Popular tools like Sendpulse already support this kind of integration.